want, Dan?
Baby, you have to listen. I'm sorry, I don't mean it, you know. You know something love, you know, baby?
Every time you say you're sorry and you do the same thing over and over again, Dan, when you gonna learn?
No, this time it's a true thing, this. Baby, I miss you, man. Come back to me now.
No, Dan, every single time it's a different problem with you. Every time.
Alright, listen.
Stop touching me, man.
Alright, baby, it's not gonna happen again. I'm not gonna do that to you no more. You know what? Me have something for you.
We have.
Close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Dan,
Yeah.
what is?
And the flowers.
Dan, what is?
A flowers.
And what kind of deggy flowers you give me?
No, sir. A good something them.
Good something?
Yeah.
Dan, you too.
You love me not. You love me. You love me not. You love me. You love me not.
Lie.
What you say you love me?
Dan?
Eh? Alright. That was a joke thing. We know say that's not favorite flowers, but we know say me get you something though. Your real favorite. Alright, lock your eyes. Lock it. Them lock?
No.
Lock them.
Come give me my thing.
Okay, sorry. Smell that? Open your eyes. Eh? See
The
this?
damn cookie.
Are your favorite that? Right?
Alright.
From your aunt then.
From your aunt.
Serious
Alright, Dan.
thing,
Alright, Dan.
What?
Stop wasting my time. What you want?
So what? We can come in now?
No.
What is? We buy your flowers, we buy your overthink.
You buy me daggy flowers. You buy me Ovaltine cookies.
Hey.
You can't do nothing better.
Girl, you see. Alright. Are you make me do this, you know?
What?
I don't me do this. Are you make me do this?
Me?
Yeah, because me know say
Me, Dan?
Yes, you.
Me?
Not me. Yes, you. Yes, you. Because me know say easy for cry. Me never want to do this.
What?
But you force me on.
Alright.
Alright.
Force you on.
Berrington. Berrington, come through, man. Yeah. You ready now? Oh.
Ready for what?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hey. The first time you sit down on me cocky top, my heartbeat never stop. Yeah, girl, me say the first time you sit down on me cocky top, my heartbeat never stop for you. I love the way you mix up my Milo. My future eyes would I never know how you could be my wife, girl. Cause the first time you sit down for me cocky top, girl, it feels so good. When you sit down on the cocky top, sit down on the cocky top, my heart say boom ba doom ba doom. On the cocky top, on the cocky top, yeah. Sit down on the cocky top. So baby, sorry, we can come in now?
Yes, Dan. You can come in, but only under one condition.
Oh, what that?
You have to make sure me could have sit down on your cocky top.
Come back up some more. But in there some girl. Sure. On the cocky top. On the cocky top. Yeah. Sit down on the cocky top.